Hello again guys, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a new unboxing. This is the Parkside heat gun model PHLG 2000D3. Closer look, we have some specs: 2000 watts, two settings, 350 to 550 Celsius, air volume, liter per minute. And inside we are going to find a reducer nozzle, a scrubber nozzle, a flat nozzle, and a barbecue lighting nozzle. Sorry. Let's see what we have inside, of course, because this is an unboxing. Inside we are going to find some manuals. If you want to read it, it's your choice. The nozzle that I already said in my reviewing of the accessories, and the heat gun. Not nothing fancy. A lovely, beautiful heat gun. We have settings to 1, 0, and 2. Well, that was all, guys. The very easiest unboxing ever. Of course, I will give it a try how it works. I will test this and reviewing. In the right corner you will see my next video that I'm going to review this and test it. And in the left you will see the older model, the B2, if I remember correct. Well, thank you again for watching this lovely unboxing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, dislike my videos, your choice, but please hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.